Hello everyone and Happy New Year. My name is Shaquita and if you're new to my page, welcome. On today's video, we will be picking different beauty gurus where certain steps that they take to get a flawless face, they say work for them all the time. So in this video, I am choosing different beauty gurus for different steps just to see in fact if it is a flawless face. So if you're interested in seeing how I got this look here, then stay tuned and I'll talk to you in the next video. Bye. And welcome back to another tutorial or another video, and we're gonna get ready to get started. So like I said in the intro, this is going to be a video where we take different things from different beauty gurus that they say that works, that they use all the time. So first things first, I'm going to prime my face using the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Whip Body Balm for dry to extra dry skin. And I'm just going to go and add moisture back to my skin using this Neutrogena body balm. First thing first, the first beauty guru that we're going to start with is Brianna Murray. So if you watched any of her videos, she always starts with the Becca Ever Matte Poreless Priming Perfector to put her on her brows, and this is why this is going to be our first step, because I always start with my brows. So next I'm going to go ahead and clean up my eyebrows off camera, since this video is specifically for what beauty gurus say works best when applying your makeup. So I'll be right back. Are done and our eyelids are primed. I'm going to go to the next step, which brings us to our next beauty guru, which is Jackie Aina. So she always suggests that once you put on your face primer, which is what we use the Neutrogena for, then you get you a setting powder, which I'm going to use the Sacha Buttercup, and we are going to pat this setting powder where we get most oiliest. So for me, it's my T-zone. Okay, so we look a little cray-cray right now, but it's going to all make sense. So for foundation, I am going to use the Smashbox Studio Skin 15-Hour Wear Hydrating Foundation in the shade 4.4. This brings us to our next beauty guru, which is Nikki Tutorials. So she brought up a good point. If you want your concealer to be nice and full coverage, allow it to dry down just a little bit, enough to get tacky, and then blend it out. So we're going to do that. I'm going to let it sit. I'm going to go ahead and let it dry, and then we'll come back and I'll go ahead. Okay, so the next beauty guru that we're gonna follow their instruction on what's best is Makeup Shayla. So she says if you take your setting powder that you use to set your concealer, which I am going to use the Covergirl Clean Professionals loose powder, and I'm going to use a powder puff, and she, on her video, she normally presses it into the concealer. Key Adams. So I really admire. Okay, so what she does is she takes her contour, which I am going to use the Black Radiance Clean Contour Palette in medium to dark, and she takes it and she creates like a triangle shape with her contour, and it gives it a nice, just basically a nice sculpted look. Okay, so now that we have that, we're going to set that contour, and we're going to use the Black Radiance Contour Palette in medium to dark to set that contour shade. Okay, so next she says that whenever you go back with your setting powder and you want to make like a triangle. So I'm going to get my powder puff again, and we want to kind of like reinforce that shape. And I'm going to go down here. Then I'm going to set all over my face with the Sephora Micro Smooth Powder, and this is in the shade Deep. Then I'm going to set all over the face with my Milani Make It Last setting spray. 16-hour wear. Okay, beauty, so this is all for today's video. So I count this as a 2019 flawless face routine approved. And if you like this video also, you know what to do. Please give me a thumbs up. Comment below if you've tried some of their steps before and it worked out for you or it didn't work out for you. Comment below. Let's chat in 2019. And don't forget to subscribe if you're new to my channel. I would love to have you over here. Click the subscribe button, and to everyone, make sure you click the bell so you don't miss any notifications, any uploads from me in the future. And happy new year, you guys, and I will see you on the next video. Bye.